Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to show you a chart that we're paying close attention to at StockMarketMentor.com. In fact, Dan Fitzpatrick has added this to his active trade list. It is Double Verify, ticker DV. Now, if I zoom out here, you can see the DV IPO'd right in the middle of 2021. It was a volatile session and then, kind of went down with everything else. But recently, DV has been printing some higher lows here, some nice higher lows on the daily chart and some nice higher lows here, obviously, on the weekly chart. And on the weekly, we're kind of around a cluster of moving averages. And so I like that. We have technically still a weekly lower high, but we have a higher low as well. On the daily, we are above all the major moving averages. And if you can find a stock that's above all the major moving averages when the overall market is making new lows, I think that's a stock that you got to pay attention to. So I currently don't have a position in this. I sold it today for a small profit, but I definitely want to get back into the stock if it can make some new highs. So there's two spots that I'm watching for potential buys on Double Verify. Now, the first one is kind of close to this 21-day exponential period moving average. You can see it bounced off of there today. Didn't really do it on much volume, but it's also been finding support right around this 50-day moving average. Every time, at least for the most part, that it's come down to the 50-day, it's held here pretty well. And so I'm either looking for, a little pullback buy here or a pullback buy down to that 50-day moving average. Now, breakout buyers could also look for a pivot right above that 28.20 level, maybe set an alert just below. But as you know, buying breakouts in this market, it's been tough. So I think you want to get it close to support, and that's where I'm looking for a new entry here on DV. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And if you want to find out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com, take a trial, and I'll see you on the other side.